In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GST slab in Zoho Inventory. We'll walk through this step by step. You can follow along on your own screen and set up your tax correctly the first time. Start by opening Zoho Inventory in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the right organization if you manage more than one. The GST slabs you create will apply only to the organization you're currently viewing, so it's important to confirm that first. Now, look towards the top right area of your Zoho Inventory interface. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Zoho keeps most of the configuration options for your account, including everything related to taxes. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page. On the left side, or within the main list of options, you should see a section labeled Taxes. Click on Taxes to open all of your tax-related settings. This is where you can manage tax authorities, tax rules, and of course, the GST slabs you charge on your items and invoices. Within the Taxes section, look for the tab or option called Tax Rates. Click on Tax Rates to view the list of all existing taxes that have already been set up in your account. This list might already include some standard rates depending on how your account was initialized, but you're going to add a new one specifically for the GST slab you need. On the tax rates page, look for a button that says plus new tax, or a similar label indicating you can create a new tax rate. Click on that button to open the form for adding a new tax. You'll now see a form where you can define the details of your GST slab. In the first field, type in the tax name. For example, you might enter something like GST 18% or simply GST, depending on your own naming convention. Choose a name that's clear and easy to recognize on invoices and reports. Next, move to the rate field and type in the GST percentage you want to apply. This should match the official GST slab you're configuring, such as 5, 12, 18, or 28%. Be sure you enter just the numeric value without the percent sign and double check that you're using the correct rate for your products or services. Once you're satisfied with the tax name and rate, review the form briefly to make sure there are no typos. When everything looks good, click on the Save button. Zoho Inventory will store this new GST tax rate and add it to your list of available taxes. From now on, when you create or edit items or raise invoices and bills, you will be able to select this GST slab from the tax drop-down and apply it consistently across your transactions.